Hello, Kuya James here. So for today, I'm gonna show you this n8n lender matching automation demo. So we have here the workflow that I have created, the form where the trigger coming from. So a user will fill up this one. And then we have the records here. So this is the commutations and will the information from the user. It will also put here, and the results will be here. All right, so what did I did? So first I have created a Google form here for my lender match. I have used Google Forms since when I built the Bootstrap Google form, I have course issue, so I skip on fixing on that and proceed with the Google form. After that, I have created a trigger. Here, I've connected my Google Sheets trigger account. I set this poll every minute. Added my ID and yeah, um, this is my Google form ID and just copy this one. Okay, until here. Okay, and then I choose list. So from the list, we have four lenders results for. Let's see. No, I'm sorry. This is my ID, by the way, not the Google form. I'm talking about the Google Sheet. So as you can see, we have the three tabs. It's matching this one since we are getting the correct ID. You can also add by link. For me, just prefer ID. Okay, and then when you fetch the test results, you have already getting the data as a JSON from response one. We have three data. Okay, from that I have created here a borrower matrix. So from the data from the response from the Google Sheets. So we have created the calculation here. So this is the JavaScript, and when you execute that one, it will generate the data that we needed. After that, I have connected the borrower lender sheets to using merge codes and lender sheets here. On the lender sheets, we need to on the lender sheets, so we need to append the results, the lenders. Okay, if you execute this one, here are the results. So correct. Now, since we have the the calculations from the this form, which is from response one, and then from the lenders, I'm using here a merge code to combine those from barometrics and Google Sheets from lenders. Now, if we execute this one, as you can see, we have the data from TestCo, the revenue, the debt, and also the lender's name. And as you can see, we are combining this one by using the options. So we find item based on their order. So since we have two inputs, we're using two. Next is matcher. Here, I have added a matcher based on the rules is match each um business to the correct lenders. So if I execute this one, we are getting now the match lenders to A and B. So for this letter test code at B business name, it's match the lenders A, B, and C. One. Okay, after that, I have append the results in the results. It will be appended here. If we execute this one, again, this is connected to Google service account. You need to create an account at once. It within documents, and you can just drag and put that in the column manually, so it will be added here. So once it is success, it will be an output here. So we have 3 items. We'll send to my to an email. So I'm using here SMTP using Vivo. So it will be the form is from my mail and another mail. So to test this one, let's go check and test. Success. Yes. And there's an email or A. It's matched the A and lenders A and B. TestCo V. It's matched the lenders A, B, and C. And the last one is 7 Test James. ABC matches the ABC. So yeah, that's it for this video demo. Thank you. Bye for now.